and I'm also known as the Coastal Gardener, and I have a garden design business and a specialist plant nursery in St Helens. And today I'm going to show you how to design your own garden. So the first garden is going to be a garden on a plate, which is just for fun, won't last for very long, but hopefully you'll have fun doing it. And then secondly, I'm going to show you how to make a garden in a colander, which will last for years and years. So I'll show you how to do it, and then if you can send in some photos of your gardens, that would be great. So when I was a child, I used to make gardens on a plate all the time. Now I make gardens for people's gardens, but today I'm going to show you how you can make a garden on a plate. So any plate will do, plastic, ceramic, metal, doesn't matter. And then I've got some sand. You could use soil, but sand's quite nice to use because you can mould it into different shapes as well. And it's relatively clean. So I'm just squidging it around on the plate, quite a thick layer, because then you can poke things into it. So all the way around. And then rather than just having it flat, I'm going to build a hill. So another big handful, some on the back. Right, okay. So I'm happy with that. Nice thing on a plate is you can do anything you like, and if you don't like it, you can change it. It's a bit harder once you've planted a tree in a real garden. So I'm going to start by putting in a water feature, and I've collected some beach grass. I'm just going to push it into the sand, and I think I'm going to make a pool. Okay, almost like a mosaic of glass, fitting those together. And then in this garden I'm going to have a beach around the water, so I've got some shingle. Just going to put that all the way around. Okay. Right, so I'm happy with that, but I think it needs another feature. So I've got this nice big stone. I'm going to push that in there. Okay, so that's the hard landscaping finished, and now we're going to look at what we can plant. So I've got all these lovely things, and it's just a case of deciding what's going to go where. So I think this will make a great tree right on top of the hill. And I've got another one here. I'm just going to pull the leaves off the bottom. So I've got more to a trunk to push into the sand. Okay. Put that in there. Right. Okay. And then I've got these lovely wild roses, and well, I could push them in like this. And perhaps one around the side, and I've got a third one around the back. And then I really like these orange pom-pom flowers. This is a buddleia, like the butterfly bush with the tall purple flowers, but this variety has these orange pom-poms. And I'm going to take them off and fill in the gaps here. This is very much a fantasy garden, full of colour and scent. These roses, I can really smell them, it's lovely. So they're going to go up the hill and meet up with the rose up here. Okay. And then same plant, I'm going to use some of the leaves because I really like these big floppy leaves. So let me put one around the back here. And another one. Then I've got a bit of a gap here, and I've got some blackcurrant leaves, so I'm just going to fill in that gap there with a blackcurrant leaf. And then, oh, it's a wildlife garden, there's a little fly flying around there. And then in front of these trees I want to put something else, so I've got these nice bits of succulent plants, so I'm just going to try and push those in underneath, a bit of underplanting, as they say when you do a real garden. And I've got these seed heads, so I really like these. So I've got to decide how I might use them. Could I lie them down or stand them up? Oh, I think they've got to go up. So we'll perhaps have 3 of these trees. So I'm just going to put a bit more sand around there because they're a bit wobbly. And one gust and they might be down. So there we go. And then a third one. There. Okay. And then I've got this amazing, this is a head from a cardoon, Scottish thistle plant. So I'm just going to cut the stalk off. Whoop. And then I'm going to push that in somewhere at the bottom there. Okay, now you could leave it like this. I want to cover every last bit of the ground, so I'm going to put some more blackcurrant leaves in here. You can go off the edge of the plate. You don't have to stay within the boundary. You can do whatever you like. It's your garden on your plate. And then I've got some marigolds. So this is quite nice because it picks up on the orange buddleia pom-poms. So I'm going to push those in there. Wow, very colourful garden. One more. And then to finish off, I've got a few chive flower heads. And I'm going to take the stalks off and just push those down as well. So when I'm designing a real garden, I'm thinking about the colour and the shape of things. And it's quite nice doing this because I've got some round shapes and then they're repeated here. We've got some tall things, some flat things, water feature. So one last chive. And then unlike a real garden, I can spin this one round and you can see it from every angle. Okay, so I'm really pleased with that, but I think there's just one thing missing just to bring it to life. And that is my lizard. This is a tin lizard and he's going to come down from the hill to have a drink of the water. Well, I hope you have fun making your own garden on a plate and send me some photos. Send them in to Hullabaloo and I'll look forward to seeing them. Have fun! Okay, so I've shown you how to make a garden on a plate and obviously that's not going to last for very long, but making a garden in a colander means that your garden can last for years. So colanders are great, they've already got lots of holes in, and I'm just going to add some really gritty soil. So whatever soil you've got will be just fine, as long as it's not a kind of heavy clay that's going to hold a lot of water. So this has got lots of little bits of stone in and soil. And I'm not going to fill it right up because I've got to get the plants in. So I think that will be enough. Not too much coming out of the holes. So I've got a selection of succulent plants here, and these are ideal because they store water in their leaves, so they don't need a lot of care or maintenance, and they'll be very happy in a container like this. So it's just a case of deciding what's going to go where. So I like this one with the flowers on. When you're taking plants out of a pot, if you turn them upside down, just gently put your hand over, gently squeeze the pot, take the pot away, turn it over, and I'm going to wriggle that one in here at the back. Okay. So I've got a couple of traily ones. These are ones I've taken out of another container. So I'm just bare rooted. And I'm going to put that one at the front. So I've got kind of silvery colour here, which goes with the silver at the back. And then I've got another traily one, which is this darker one. So I'm going to put this one in on this side. Okay, so I don't mind if it goes over the handle, that's fine. And that's trailing down nicely over the side here. So a couple more. This really good bright green one. Wool, that one's very loose. Okay, so I'm going to put that one over there, just because I like the colour contrast. And then this one, which is nice, this little purpley one that's got a baby. And you'll find they do this, that these sorts of plants throw up little baby ones all the way around. So I'm going to turn that one over. There's the stones. Squeeze the pot. Oh, it's like a magic trick. Another pot. And thankfully, not another one. So I'm going to put that one in here. Little baby facing inwards. Then I'm going to add some soil just to fill that up. Fill in the gaps. There we go. Wiggle that one around. So I'm not going to overfill it because I want to put a layer of gravel on the top. And that will help stop the weeds growing. It'll keep moisture in. And I think it will look good too. So There we go, that's probably enough. Give it a little firm down, not too much. And now I've got a very fine gravel here. Use anything you've got and scatter that in between the plants. And you see it just makes the plants stand out a bit more too. I'm just going to finish that off. And then you could leave it like this with just plants, or you could add a few other things, which is what I'm going to do. Probably best to do this job outside rather than scattering gravel all over your house. Right, okay, so I'm happy with that, but I've got a nice starfish, which I could lay down, or I could stand up a bit, so I think I'm going to stand him up. And I've got some shells, some limpet shells with holes in, so I'm going to put a couple of those in. So I've made a little Colander coastal garden, and a little tiny one there, go on the edge. There we go. And maybe one more thing. I've got this pebble here, just squeeze in there, and that's it. 5 minutes and you've got a new garden. I would give it a good soak and then just water it once a week after that in the summer, and don't water it at all in the winter. Best outside rather than inside, and it will grow for years and years. Do send me some pictures if you make your own Colander garden. If you send them into Hullabaloo, and I'll be really interested to see what you do. Bye!